Electron configuration battleship is a lot like regular battleship, just with a different board. Your blank periodic tables are on the back of this sheet, so make sure you have the sheet when you're going to play. You have 5 ships. Here are the number of blocks that those ships cover. You're going to take turns with your partner, make sure they cannot see where your ships are, and you're going to try to hit their ships while they try to hit yours. You're going to do that by calling out the location of where you want your shot to hit. You should record both your shots and also the shots from your partner. When a ship has been hit and all of its blocks have been hit, then it's sunk, and the first player to sink all of their opponent's ships wins. You probably want to start by setting up your ships on an annotated periodic table. So take this sheet and mark it up a little bit. Okay, once you've marked up your periodic tables like these, then you're going to record the locations of your fleet. You can put them wherever you want, just make sure that your opponent doesn't see them. One of your boats has to just cover 2 blocks, so you can have it be in these 2 blocks or whichever 2 you want. Another boat has to cover 3 blocks, so put that one wherever you want. There's another one that's 3 blocks. Maybe you could be mean, put it in the F block. That makes it a little bit hard. Then you've got one for 4 and one for 5. So I'll put my 4 up here, and then I'll put my 5 down here. Okay. Once you have your boat set up, and so does your opponent, you're going to start calling out hits for them. So if you wanted to say, tell them this box, and you want to try to hit there, then you would call out 4D, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4D4 would get you this block. And then your partner will tell you whether or not you hit one of their ships. If you hit it, then you can put an H. And if they said you didn't hit anything, then you would put an M for a miss. They're going to do the same thing. They'll call out a box. Maybe they call out 3P3, in which case you would go 3P, 1, 2, 3 here. And then you would tell them that's a miss because you do not have a boat there. And you just keep going back and forth until they hit your ships. If they called out 6P3, then they would have hit your ship. That would be right here, 6P3. And you'd have to tell them that that was a hit. Okay, good luck, have fun.